Fashion design, pursuing fashion trends, considering the great versatility, made a wider range of people and face shape. The lines of the frame are smooth and flowing, aesthetically pleasing look, high quality material, ensure durability, and add a touch of luxury, ergonomic design, 32 to 35 grams, lightweight and comfortable wearing. We have 12 years audio products production experience, a strong, skilled management team, a group of electro-acoustic, electronic R&D and experience, 10 years long-term research and development in integrated Bluetooth technology, production line with whole sets of equipment. Each pieces will pass through battery charging testing. Skilled technicians are used in every stage of assembly process. Factory with ISO 9001 and BSCI certification in plating strict and scientific quality control system to ensure the reliable, superior products quality. All products are strictly manufactured based on SOP documents. Select us, flexible OEM policies. Now in Dangguan, we own over 4,000 square meters with modernly standardized equipment such as auto injection machine, audio test machine, RF machine, separately aging room. Nowadays, we have more than 40 industrial core patents or technical patents. From 2018, we have more than 30 styles of self-developed TWS earphone. All our personal models with Red, FCC, Roche, Reach reports.